Caledon.
Speaker, my question is to the Attorney General. Minister, last week's very disturbing report released by the Chief Electoral Officer on apparent contraventions of the Election Act is, in his own words, unprecedented. As AG, you have a unique responsibility to advise Cabinet on legal matters. Have you advised the Premier that, according to the Election Act, a specific job offer is in fact not required for an apparent contravention to have occurred?
Thank you. Attorney General.
Mr. Speaker, I'm going to repeat again.
Quite legitimate.
The Chief Electoral Officer is an independent officer, we know that, of the Legislative Assembly. And as I mentioned previously on numerous occasions, this process exclusively involved non-partisan officials within the Ministry of the Attorney General. The system is already designed, and I think the Chief Electoral Officer stipulated it at page 4 of his report. The system is already designed so that only non-partisan officials handle any complaints, and the third party and the opposition knows that, and if they want to have more information, they can reach out to the Chief Electoral Officer and he will explain the process. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Supplementary.
And in page 10 of the report, it very specifically says an apparent contribution could be established if a candidate is offered a range of options rather than a specific role in a specific office. Sound familiar, Premier? Minister, what assurances can you give the public that this investigation will be dealt with quickly before memories fail and evidence is deleted?
Thank you. Start the clock. The member from Renfrew, come to order, please. Second time. The member from Nipissing, please come to order. Second time. Attorney General.
Mr. Speaker, I'm going to repeat it again. The system is already designed so that only non-partisan officials handle this complaint. And as I said last week, the matter has been referred to the Public Prosecution Service of Canada by the Ministry. And the members should know the process because the Chief Electoral Officer said in his report that his office briefed the opposition about the independent process. So I guess that these questions should not be asked if they have read the report. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. New question, member for Bribery.